In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view cases on Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a refresher on how to navigate the platform, this guide will help you access and view cases efficiently within the Service app. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open Salesforce and ensure you are on your usual home screen. From here, we're going to find our way to the Service app, which is a crucial step in accessing the cases you need to review or manage. Now, to do this, move your cursor to the App Launcher, which is represented by an icon that looks like a grid or a square, typically located at the top left corner of the interface. Click on it, and you'll see a search bar along with a list of available apps. Next, in the search bar, you can either type in Service or simply scroll down to find the Service app if it's already visible in the list. Selecting it will take you to the main page of the Service app, where you can undertake various service-related activities. The Service app is designed to streamline service processes, ensuring you have all the tools and information you need at your fingertips. Once you're in the Service app, direct your attention to the top of the screen, where you'll see a series of tabs. We're now looking for the Cases tab here. This tab is your gateway to viewing all the cases associated with your customer support operations. If you don't immediately see the Cases tab at the top, don't worry. It's easy to find. Simply look for the More tab at the far end of your tab bar. Clicking on this reveals additional options that aren't visible on the main tab line. If Cases is among these options, just click it, and you'll be taken right to your cases. Navigating the Cases tab is a task that should eventually become second nature as you get more accustomed to the Salesforce interface. Here, you'll be able to see a list of all your current cases, with details like case number, priority, status, and any other custom fields your organization might be using. If you're looking for a specific case or wish to manage multiple cases based on a particular criterion, you can use the filters and search options provided to narrow things down. Understanding how to access and view cases seamlessly can greatly enhance your ability to manage customer service inquiries and ensure swift, effective responses to customer needs. Remember, the Service app and the Cases tab are your friends in this process, so familiarize yourself with them as part of your daily Salesforce routine. Thank you for watching, and I hope this step-by-step guide has helped demystify the process of viewing cases on Salesforce. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials to enhance your Salesforce skills.